Hey guys, how's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Slice ceramic pen knife. It's called the pen knife basically because it looks just like a pen pretty much, but it has this really nice retractable knife that comes out. Really nice, and it automatically retracts by itself. That is the coolest part of this device itself. I mean, you could do this all day just playing around. It's great. And what I use this for is to cut open boxes, cut open anything pretty much that's sealed with something that is paper or tape or something like that. And it opens it no problem. I used to think that you had to have some kind of a knife that was some kind of metal or razor blade or some kind of a metal cutter to actually, cut open boxes and stuff or anything pretty much. But no, I was reluctant to try this because I just thought, this little thing that pops out, that's gonna break real fast, and it's just not gonna hold up to what I gotta use it for. I just didn't think it was gonna be for me. So this thing sat in my drawer at work for a long time until I had to open a box that I didn't have any scissors around, I didn't have any knife around, I didn't even have any plastic utensils around, nothing. All I had in my drawer that was able to, possibly do the job was this little guy, and it was still in its plastic wrapping. So I said, oh, okay, well, let's put this guy to the test. Okay, so I opened up the package, I got this out, and it was actually about 4 boxes. I was expecting something and I really needed, and I needed to get that box open. This little guy opened that box so fast. It was just, it went through it like butter. I mean, real easy and real precise. It's like exact, You just hold this down. If you have like a thick box that you have to cut, you can hold it with your thumb to give you support and just go down like that, like you're really digging in there, and you just cut with it. Or if you're cutting something like just paper or something, like if you're opening a letter or something like that, you could hold it like this, with this finger, and then go in there like that, and it'll get it open like that. It's really a really nice tool. It's just kind of cool to play with. Yeah, I like this a lot. So needless to say, I was sold on this. I didn't think it was going to work well, and I've been using this now for probably going on 2 years, and it serves me well. I mean, I got a lot of boxes to open, and I mean, every week there's something that I have to open that's some kind of delivery, some kind of box, something that's taped up that has to be opened, and this guy has been going strong. I haven't had to change the blade. I haven't had to worry about this little piece on the end cracking or splitting at all. It still looks brand new. I mean, it works, no problem. I don't even know how anybody took the chance on having a ceramic blade like that, thinking I would think it would break, but I have been cutting with this thing for so long. I mean, I've really put it through the test. I've been cutting some really thick cardboard and stuff with this, and this little blade, it goes pretty deep. You can go all the way to that middle green part, and I mean, that's pretty deep. You can see that. I mean, that would be some thick cardboard, and it'll get right in there. Yeah, this works really well. And the person that gave this to me, after I started using it, I actually went over there and I told them, thank you. It was like a really great thing that they did, because this is a really good tool. It really is. Now, you could store this away just like if it was a pen, like you could keep it in your pocket, like if you work with some kind of a coat with pockets in it or something that you keep your pens, you know, you could put this in there too. Or your desk at work, or the drawer, anywhere you just store it away. The nice part is that blade's not sticking out. I mean, if that blade was sticking out, you'd have to be worried about where you're going to put it. But since it's inside like that, you can put it anywhere. It's really a good tool. Like it a lot. All right, this is the Slice. It's Slice ceramic pin cutter. All right. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.